Smart Lock Debugging Tutorial 1. Front Lock Settings Operation. Multi-language switching. Enter the corresponding code to switch the language in the initialization state. Press the digital area to wake up the smart lock. Enter the code and press the key to confirm. Enter the code 80,874,401 and press the key to confirm to switch to Chinese. Enter the code 80,274,402 and press the key to confirm to switch to English. Enter the code 80,274,403 and enter the code 80,274,404 and press the key to confirm to switch to Indonesian. Enter the code 80,274,405 and press the key to confirm to switch to Portuguese. Enter the code 80,274,406 and press the key to confirm to switch to Russian. Enter the code 80,274,407 and press the key to confirm to switch to Spanish. Enter the code 80,274,408. Press the key to confirm and switch to Thai. Enter the code 80,274,409. Press the key to confirm and switch to Vietnamese. Touch the digital area to wake up the smart lock and press the and keys to enter the system. 1. Add user. 2. Delete user. 3. System setting. 4. Network settings. 5. Time settings. 6. Version query. Press 1 to add a user. Follow the voice prompt to add the administrator number 001 password. Enter the 6-digit password according to your needs and repeat it twice. The passwords entered twice must be the same. Enter the fingerprint of the administrator number 002 and enter it 6 times in a row. Enter the administrator number 003 card information, record the card in the digital panel icon area, and enter it once. Press the key to return to the main menu. Press 2 to delete the user, delete by number, enter the number you want to delete. Press the key to confirm and delete. Press the key to return to the main menu. Press 3 for system settings, then press 1 for language settings. Press 1 for Chinese, press 2 for English, according to select to your needs. Press 2 for volume settings, press 1 for high volume, press 2 for medium volume, press 3 for low volume, press 4 for mute, select according to your needs. Press 3 for unlocking mode, press 1 for single door opening, press 2 for combination door opening, select according to your needs. Press 4 for locking time, adjust the delay after triggering the door closing action before locking. Press 5 to restore to factory settings, press the key to confirm, and you can restore to factory settings. Press 4 for network settings, and you can choose to connect to the 2 app. Press 5 for time settings, and enter the current time year or month or day. For example, 20 April 11:15, 52, press the key to confirm and the setting is successful. Press 6 for version query to view the current version. Press the key to exit the system. 2. Backlock settings operation. Press the and keys to enter the system. Follow the voice prompts to add the administrator password. Enter the 6-digit password according to your needs and repeat it twice. The passwords entered twice must be the same. Enter the administrator's fingerprint and enter it 6 times in a row. Note: please enter the fingerprint from multiple angles to ensure that the fingerprint is entered completely. Enter the card information and record the card in the digital panel icon area. Enter it once. Press the key to exit the system.